Hi, do you have a Corsair HS55 or HS65 gaming headset, but the microphone isn't working? In this video, we are going to fix the mic 100% so you can get back to gaming. The first task is to find out where the problem is. Open the headphone housing by removing the ear pad, unscrew the screws, and carefully open the housing without tearing the wires inside. Then, use a multimeter to check if the wires coming from the jack are working and reaching the headphone board. If they are damaged, you will need to replace the jack. I showed how to do that in my previous video. If the wires from the jack are fine, then check the next set of wires, which connecting the mic capsule to the headphone board. There could be two problems: broken moving wires from mic arm or a broken mute switch. If it's the switch, just skip it and solder the wires to bypass the switch entirely. This will fix your headphones, and you can simply use the mute function on your console or PC instead. In my case, I encountered the most complicated problem. All the wires were working and reaching the jack and mic capsule, but the mic capsule itself was not working. It showed impedance but would not pick up sound. Carefully open the mic arm, take out the mic capsule, desolder the broken mic capsule. Then, find some old wired headphones, the kind that used to come with phones, like small wired earbuds with an inline mic. Just tear down those wired earbuds headphones and take out the mic capsule. Solder this new replacement mic capsule into place. When soldering the wires back, check the wiring. You need to solder the white wire to the positive plus mic contact. If your replacement capsule is a bit larger, just modify the mic arm by cutting it larger to fit the new capsule. Put the plastic mic cover back on and check if the microphone picks up sound now. If it does, great! The headphones are working again. I hope the tips in this video help you find the mic problem and fix it.